there, it's Alex from WTI. I found this MAKEBUG 3D puzzle of this leaf insects to actually not only be really fun, but also very educational. My favorite part of this kit is that the pieces are double-sided. I really think that adds to the overall visual appeal, and thereby you're making the insects truly 3D. And the color and detail of the pieces are outstanding. They're very bright and rich in pigment. And the details of the insects are lovely as well. To my surprise, the kit came with pieces to make a male and a female leaf insect. I like how you're able to see the difference in the two when they're side by side. I also appreciate that it comes with this leaf stand so you can display your insects in an attractive way. I think this set would be great for school projects. It's light, but yet sturdy enough to withstand, maybe being shoved into a backpack, let's say. It was a lot of fun putting it together with my 10-year-old niece. It doesn't take a long time to put together either, so that's great if your little ones don't have a long attention span. I'm not a huge fan of bugs, but I do think these are cute. I really like them, and that's my point of view.